seconds got superpowers. Turn my minutes into hours. You got more than 20/20, babe.
Hey y'all, so I'm back with a grocery haul. It's been a few weeks since I did one, so let's get started. This week I got the watermelon bubbly. I never really tried like watermelon drinks, so I was like, since it's summer or almost summer, let's just get with the program and get watermelon flavor stuff. And then of course got the cherry. Then over here I got eggs, milk, some fresh spinach, and some green leaf lettuce. It kind of look horrible because Walmart freaking produce are so, I can't stand it, to be honest. And then some sweet peppers. Yeah, look at my flowers. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. And then I got some red grapes that don't look as horrible, but whatever. And of course, my body armors. I started again a tropical punch. So good. Blue raspberry, of course. And then strawberry banana because they didn't have their fruit punch. And they substitute strawberry banana for my fruit punch. And I'm like, that don't make sense. Why would you give me strawberry banana? Why you didn't just give me a blueberry or a blue raspberry or tropical punch? If I wanted strawberry banana, I would have got strawberry banana. So then I got these, smoothies, Blue Goddess, the Sea Boost, and then the Green Goddess, and vanilla chai, tea, some pickles, extra virgin olive oil, some green beans, simply lemonade, this the raspberry, and a strawberry, and then I'm trying these Thai pea, I think it's Thai pea, little rice dinners. I think they're gonna be good. I mean, hey, you can't really mess up rice, right? But then I got the shrimp fried rice, the beef and broccoli, and the sweet and sour chicken, then general TSO spicy chicken, and chicken fried rice. And then back here I got like waters. I think those are 3 liters, and that one's in a chokehold. Why would they give me that one? But whatever. And then I got 2 cases of the mini waters, 2 cases of the big waters, pepperoni hot pockets, and then I got the chicken egg rolls, and then down there is the shrimp egg rolls. Then of course I got my Zatarans. I was gonna get the shrimp Alfredo, and then I'm starting to get the blackened chicken Alfredo again. I used to get them before, but then they started to taste funny to me, so I had stopped buying them for a while. But they're back. Hopefully they're good, because if they're not, the boy's just gonna be eating them. Then I got some sirloin steak and some bacon cheddar burgers, and then sausage and gravy. I guess they say you can try a new one because this isn't the one I ordered. They substituted, but I'm not gonna complain because it kind of look good. It kind of pleasing to have potatoes, country gravy, egg, sausage, and cheddar cheese. I'm not gonna be mad at it. I'm gonna try it out. Got some tater tots, fish sticks, my southern chicken, some chicken fajita, chicken nuggets, chicken strips. Then back there, Red Ranch, Takis, my Lay's that I always get, and then Nutri-Grain bar, cereal, Scooby snacks. I'm going all around. Okay, I guess we're gonna go around. Scooby snacks, Zatarans, yellow rice, popcorn, tuna, and oh, y'all, these cupcakes are so fire. Like I got the red velvet. Then, ooh, let me turn it around. Strawberry cheesecake. Oh, there's more. The cookies and cream. I haven't tried the cookies and cream because I don't really like chocolate like chocolate cake like that. But that strawberry shortcake and red velvet, fire. Of course, my Hershey, and I already got one out. Got some fruit cups, applesauce. They already opened it, and Chance don't like the apple banana. And then we got some noodles. I didn't want this type of macaroni because I like the crafts, but we're gonna work with it. Hot dog buns, burger buns, sandwich bread. And y'all, oh my God, so let me tell y'all about this substitute that they did. First of all, I order Belgian waffles, right? Why did they substitute mini bagels and fucking cinnamon bread? Why you didn't just go give me another pack of waffles? Why, like, it's not the same thing. Oh my gosh. Like, Walmart substitution is wild. But anyways, I'm gonna take that back because I don't want that. I mean, I don't know. Honestly, I hate taking stuff back, but I don't want that. Mini carrots, maple bacon, hot dog meat, boiled eggs, cheese, pepper jack cheese, roast beef, turkey breasts, and honey ham, seasoned blend, Mexican cheese, orange juice, tortillas, apples, butter, taco sauce, slap your mama seasoning, chicken, and I already did that. And that's it. So yeah, this was what? I think $4.75. $4.75. Honestly, they're scammy, but we gotta eat, so I guess. So I'm about to put this up, and of course, get me something to snack on and call it a night. Peace.
Every night I rush to my bed with hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you when I close my eyes. I'm going out of my head, lost in the fairy tale. Can you hold my hands and be my guide? Clouds filled with stars cover your skies, and I hope it rains. You're the perfect lullaby. What kind of dream can be a sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare? Either way, I don't wanna wait. Turn the lights on. Sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Somebody pinch me. Your love's too good. Turn the lights on. My guilty pleasure, I ain't going nowhere. Baby, long as you're here, I'll be floating on air. 'Cause you're my sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't wanna wait. Turn the lights on. I mention you when I say my prayers. I wrap you around all of my thoughts. For you, my temporary. I wish that when I wake up, you're there. So wrap your arms around me for real and tell me your
I forgot to show me. Hey Alexa, pause. Girl, I say pause. I forgot to record me doing the pantry. But yeah, that's the pantry. And then also, I forgot to show these little bomb pops. They're nerds. So nice. So we're gonna try these tomorrow.
So